Hi, I'm Ben White with the Town of Farragut. I'm the Capital Projects Coordinator. Today we're at Virtue Road continuing our bridge construction, and part of the process is setting beams. We're able to set the north side beams this afternoon, and we'll set the south side beams tomorrow, which is part of the superstructure and of the bridge. It's I guess a major visual step in the process, and everything else from this part will be, you know, easy to see, and the work being completed, because everything up to this point we're basically bringing it out of the ground. So it's a you know, just the process of what we're doing here.